And I can't stress that enough, old Vincenzo. And that's why you need this bell notification, because the criminal gangsters are out there in the market manipulation. And you need a super simple, easy, technical trading, probability based, industry exclusive, company made strategy to trade this market and sidestep the heisters, fleecers, and shysters, as we proclaimed a $10,000 rally was possible. And we've been letting you know what's going on here in the cryptocurrency market. And what I would be watching out for is, again, that 51 cents, sidestep the market manipulation, bell notification, and like the channel to get all the breaking news and technical analysis, industry best technical analysis, non in part impartial, non-biased, uh, non worried about the hype and the momentum of giving the Moon Boy talk. We expose the charlatans and we give you the information that you need. As you did know, we were in this long symmetrical triangle consolidation after the great dump back here, where we had capitulation and a lot of bankruptcies. And we told you that we were expecting a nice rally out of here towards the end of this. We were forecasting a 51-cent shot. It did do that, and then it had a nice consolidation. And now we're watching for potential 68 and a major retest. If you look at the way left machine, you can see this would be retesting major upper resistance, which is like the mean of the volume sort of in this area. You get above it, you get really bullish, but you come from below it, this should act as major resistance and all that trading cluster. If you try to work your way and slither your way up into 68 cents, that should act as several areas of resistance, and it would be very hard to overcome that up there. And that's what we're going to look out for there. And as we take a look at the old gold market, the gold market is nearing an all-time high. The gold market I am very bullish on. I am very bullish on mining stocks, and I've been telling you guys about this for quite some time. If we do a brief synopsis and recap, you can see we had that huge bull market in 2008, 6, 7, and 8, bringing you out of a 25-year bear market. Then you had a nearly 13-year cup and handle. See that? The bull market, the cup right there, and then this is the handle. And this handle was the consolidation we've been in since the COVID run-up right there. And we've attempted to break out of it now. This is the third time in a nice V-shaped breakout pattern. And I'm expecting a run-up maybe to 2169.95 in gold within the next 3 months. And I'm expecting a short-term target of nearly $3,000 out of this cup and handle, which from the cup and handle breakout, this would be a phenomenal in gold. Up to $3,500, that would be a 92% run up from 1946 and change to $3,746 up here, nearing a technical target of about an 80% move in gold and nearly 100% move to the max upper potential in the next couple of years, as I'm expecting big things to happen in gold. And I'm going to continue to watch that, as I own several mining stocks. I own lots of shares of some shares of First Majestic Silver, moderate amount of Pan America Silver, a large amount of Kinross Gold, a very heavy amount, over 700 shares for me anyways, of B2 Gold, and a moderate share of AEM. I'm expecting all of these gold stocks to continue to move to the upside. As we can see in the year to date, AEM is up 10%, B2 Gold is up 16%, Kinross Gold is up 24%, and Pan America Silver is up 14%. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.
Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, bell notification, like the channel to stay out of these shysters, fleecers, and heisters, and the market manipulators, and the orchestration of the criminal gangster cartel that is in there and has infiltrated every aspect of the world's economy and central banks, Federal Reserve, and the United States government, and governments around the world, as well as central banks, to manipulate the market. And that's what a super simple, easy, probability-based trading software that was created industry exclusive to this channel. And you can see the XRP price has pumped a little bit as we put out that warning of a $10,000 pump in the Bitcoin price, and Bitcoin has hit $30,000. XRP has reclaimed the 51 cents, and it is sneaking back in to the bottom part of this blue trading zone, which is heavy overhead resistance right here. But if you can get above that, you can streak up into that 60-cent range, 68-cent range very quickly, or you're going to get rejected within this area at some point. But right now, like the Bitcoin price, if we take a look at that, you can see the Bitcoin price had that hyper pump this morning, hitting the 30,073.36. And a breaking news, Bitcoin hits the first time in about 12 months, retesting the bottom part of the VP volume indicator, the VIX volume profile range, for the first time in nearly 6 months. And we're retesting that $30,000 level in the Bitcoin price. And we put out a warning, we put out an advisory, and we put out a take notice that we could be streaking in a $10,000 rally from the other day, from down here at 29,000 to nearly $40,000, but we can sift through this 30 cents. And that's what old Vincenzo's watching out for, and that's what you need to not be deleting that. I just deleted that industry exclusive price note that we have up there. We deleted that on accident. We're going to have to fly this back on real quick. Where's my price label? Right there. No, that's the ugly one. We don't like that. That's disgusting. Get out of there. Get out of there. Right? We need God, what the fuck is going on? We need our price note, and we could be coming up to this $39,000 level. And what I would watch out for is how you interact in the Bitcoin price right here. Can you hold this and pump to the upside, reclaim this upper resistance that you're running into, get on top of it and step it up and use it as support to catapult you up to the rest of this move after a phenomenal momentum and diced move that pushed the market 6.66% or $1,888. If you can stay on the top part of this red VP volume indicator and hold it as support, you can build a base just like you did back here and continue to the upside. Or you're going to lose this and dip back down to the 200-day moving average at 27,197. Very critical level, just like the XRP price is at a very critical level at the bottom part of this blue trading zone, where if we can get into there, hold some support, we can make a nice, fantastical run up to 68 cents, or we're going to start to get rejected and end up going back toward this orange arrow back down towards the 37 cents if we fail to hold this 51 cent major support level and then subsequently blow the moving averages to the downside, right? But right now we're still bullish.